Hi folks, my name is Sergey Lemberg and I want to talk to you today about debt collection validation notices. Here are the 5 things to know about debt collection validation notices. First things first though, I'm an FDCPA lawyer. My firm has helped thousands of people enforce their FDCPA rights, and we can help you if your rights have been violated. Now, here are the 5 things. Thing number 1. When a debt collector is seeking to collect money from you, within 5 days of their first contact with you, they must send you a validation notice. That's right. So today, day 1, they call you. Within 5 days of today, they have to send you a debt collection validation notice that explains to you effectively your debt collection validation rights. Number 2, when you are in debt, open the letters from debt collectors. Read these notices. Don't ignore them. Why? Number 1, if you don't respond to the notice, the debt collector has a right to assume that the debt is valid. Of course, the second reason is, if you actually respond to the notice, you can buy yourself time and space to deal with the debt. Number 3, what is the notice? The notice is the first communication from the debt collector. It gives you your rights under the Fair Debt Collection Act to dispute the debt. That's right, you have a right to dispute the debt and make the debt collector provide validation of the debt to you. The notice has to have the name of the original creditor, the amount of the debt, and the name of the debt collector that is collecting the debt from you. The thing to know, number 4, is dispute the debt. When you get the notice and it gives you the right to dispute within 30 days, dispute it. Now, how do you dispute? There are lots of sample forms online that are complicated. You don't have to do anything other than take the letter, get a pen right across the letter, dispute, just like I'm doing here, dispute, and send it back to the debt collector. That's enough to trigger your dispute validation rights. You can also tell them not to contact you. So write dispute, do not contact me. And the only way they can contact you after that is by mail, or of course they can sue you. The 5th thing to know is if they don't provide you validation, they can't collect. So until they validate the debt, they can't collect. If they don't validate, they can't ask you for money. Now, lots of debt collectors screw this up, and you may have a fair debt collection case. If you have questions or if you have a case about fair debt collection rights or rights about validation notices, give us a call. Let us know. We've helped thousands of people with their FDCPA problems. We can help you. So, thank you for listening. Here are the 5 things you need to know about validation rights.